Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Map Engineering Works. Today our topic is related to types of fire extinguishers and their applications. This topic is related to the safety work. There are 5 types of fire extinguishers which are most commonly used in the field. So we will discuss these all 5 types. Type number 1 is water fire extinguishers. Applications of water fire extinguishers are as below. Water extinguishers are used on solids such as wood, paper, fabrics, and other A-class fiber risks. The water cools the fire and extinguishes it. It penetrates into burning fabrics and can extinguish pockets of fire even deep in the core of the fire. So these are the 3 types of material on which the water fire extinguishers are used. Let's go to the second type. Second type is foam fire extinguisher. So let's start. Foam fire extinguishers were designed for use on Class A and Class B fires. Class A fires are those lit on solids such as paper, wood, and furniture. As we discussed, Class B fires are those ignited or flammable liquids including fuels, solvents, and paints. Fuels, which you say benzene, pumps, solvents, which are chemical labs and used in chemical labs, and paints. So what is the third type? Third type is powder fire extinguisher. So let's start our style option. Powder fire extinguisher used in suitable on Class A flammable liquids, flammable solids, B flammable liquids, and C flammable gases fires. They can also be used on electrical fires involving electrical equipment under 1000 volt without causing a risk of electric shock. So this fire extinguisher is used in most of the materials we discussed before also. So let's go to the other type. Number 4, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. So let's start about carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher works by displacing oxygen or taking away the oxygen element of the fire triangle. The carbon dioxide is also very cold as it comes out of the fire extinguisher, so it cools the fuel as well. Carbon dioxide fire extinguishers are used to put out fires and involves flammable liquids and gases. They are also used in some cases to put out the electrical fires also. So let's see the type number 5. Type number 5 is dry chemical fire extinguisher. Dry chemical fire extinguishers are by far the most common fire extinguishers in the home. They can handle all 3 types of fires you would find in a kitchen or workshop: combustible solids like wood or paper, combustible liquids like gasoline or grease, and electrical fires. These type of dry chemical fire extinguishers mostly used in the homes, especially in the kitchen where there is a risk of fire. So we discussed all the 5 types of fire extinguishers, which are as below. Number 1, water fire extinguisher. 2, foam fire extinguishers. 3, powder fire extinguishers. 4, carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. 5, dry chemical fire extinguishers. They are also called types A, B, C, and D and K. A type is, we will discuss again, A type is used for cloth, wood, rubber, and plastics. B is used for gasoline, gases, and oils. C is used for electrical fires. D is used for combustion metals, and K is used for the kitchen fires. So this is all the summary of the video. I'm very thankful to all of you on watching my video. If my video is informative for you, don't forget to support me to make more video for you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel of Map Engineering Works. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye for the next time.